Hey everyone, want to learn how to use layers in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you the basics of working with layers step by step. Yeah, layers are one of the most powerful features in GIMP, making it easy to edit different parts of an image without affecting the rest. First, open GIMP on your computer and load an image by clicking File, then Open. Once your image appears on the canvas, look for the Layers panel, which is usually located on the right side of the workspace. If you don't see the Layers panel, open the Windows menu, choose Dockable Dialogs, and then select Layers. This panel lets you view and manage every layer in your project. Next, create a new layer by clicking the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel, or by selecting Layer, and then New Layer from the top menu. Using separate layers helps keep your edits organized and easier to modify later. You can rearrange layers by clicking and dragging them up or down in the Layers panel. Layers at the top appear in front of the layers below them, giving you complete control over your design. To edit a specific layer, simply click on it to make it active. Then use tools like the Brush, Text, Eraser, or Move tool to make changes only to that selected layer. This prevents accidental edits to other parts of your project. You can also adjust a layer's opacity to make it more transparent or change its blending mode to create different visual effects. Experimenting with these settings can produce creative and professional-looking results. When you're finished editing, save your project as an XCF file to preserve all your layers. Then export your finished image as a PNG or JPEG if you want to share or use it outside of GIMP. And that's how you use layers in GIMP. Once you get comfortable working with layers, you'll have much more flexibility and control over your image editing projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.